For both everyday operations and long-term planning of asset renewal, water and wastewater managers need historical and up-to-date accurate data and information on their assets to make well-informed and defendable decisions, continually monitoring and assessing the condition and performance of their assets. Info360 Asset is a cloud-based platform that is specifically designed for the water industry's condition and performance monitoring and assessment processes. Info360 Asset is asset-centric, delivering connected assets together with associated historic and current inspections in an easy-to-access SaaS platform. Extending beyond the traditional concept of an asset register, Info360 Asset provides a biographical view of activities and assessments performed on the asset in a single source of truth platform. Consequently, every asset intervention, maintenance, replacement, and further inspections can be informed and justified and leveraged for risk-based renewals planning. Info360 Asset also streamlines inspection and survey processes, enabling greater productivity and more reliable data exchange between the office and field. Its inspection portal provides field crews, supervisors, and operators with an efficient upload and review process for all inspection data and associated media. This means that quality-controlled asset and inspection data published to the registry can be reliably used for condition monitoring and assessment, as well as providing critical insight into risk-based investment decisions into the future. Delivering a highly flexible and configurable risk modeling tool, Info360 Asset enables risk modelers to create different likelihood and consequence of failure definitions, utilizing asset, condition, performance, user-defined, and spatial GIS data that is managed in the application. These likelihood and consequence of failure models can be continuously updated as new condition inspections are routinely added to the system, asset details are updated, or new spatial maps become available. This logical, step-by-step approach to risk assessment is transparent, empowering risk modelers to easily explain and justify their asset renewal decisions. Info360 Asset helps define and articulate your organizational tactical business logic and how to make decisions about asset maintenance. The software assists in determining the most appropriate intervention. That can include repair, rehabilitation, replacement, reinspection, or no-action strategies. The decision process is transparent, and the planned work can easily be communicated for engineering review and cost planning. Work orders can be shared with third-party systems. Using entitlements, access to the inspection portal, inspection management, and risk modeling aspects of Info360 Asset can be controlled based on specific user requirements. Any stakeholders can be provided with read-only access to all the data and information on assets, inspections, and risk models, thereby maximizing the value of the investments made in inspection and risk-based activities during an asset's lifetime.